Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Now click on Phone Ringtone and Vibrate, and then click on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing. This way you can enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. When you're ready, go back. You can also go into Tap menu instead and click on this icon until it says Vibrate to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Lastly, scroll all the way down and tap on More Sound Settings. Then you can click on this switcher next to Vibration on Touch to enable or disable haptic feedback for touch, keyboard and more, and select haptic feedback vibration duration, adjust it by swiping left or right, and save it by hitting OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!